What's going on? A message? Whoa! This mission is totally my vibe. Whoa! Huh? What a beautiful day under the sea! Oh, what do we have here? Looks like it's time to show off my design skills. Whee! And I'm here! Whoa! Watch out! Gravity is a thing here! Thanks! What even is this place? I know just what to do. Time to scrub this place clean. So good. And done. I think it worked. So cool! Oh no! A little crab got caught in the net. Bye, little guy! You're free! I could actually use this. This will be the perfect addition to my wall. So cute, right? I'm more into fans, actually. And kunais, obviously. Bada bing, bada boom, done! Nice! Ugh, I'm not feeling this bed at all. Oh, hey there, derpy. How's it going? Here's such a cutie. Bye-bye! Oh. What's this? Aww, so sweet. Glad to hear that. Now let's get to painting. I'll use pink, yellow, and blue. Stay still. I'm almost finished. Whoa, careful! Done. Wow. This is my absolute masterpiece. I'll hang it right over the bed. You're gonna guard my dreams. Sweet! Now let's add a couple of pillows. Just like that, they look so cool! Now let's try sitting down again. Oh, yeah. My arms are so tired. Whoa, it's so pretty. Cool, right? I need to make my bed look better too. Now I'll turn this shell into a headboard. Oh yeah. Mermaid magic, do your thing. Sweet! Now to decorate the rest of the bed with this rope. Let's secure it tightly, just like this. Finished! Do you like it, little guy? This is your new spot, my plushie friends. Done! Bravo! Well, it's finally nap time. Good call. Sweet dreams! Phew. I should probably do something about this hole. Let's add some tape along the edge. Like this. There! Now we have a window! What is that light? Since when do we have a window? Man, it's getting so hot in here. Oh yeah, that's better. Phew! This sun is gonna turn me into a roasted mermaid. Hey, where did this window come from? No clue! I know how to fix this problem! First, let's tie the seaweed to this rope. Just like that. Perfect! And now we add a few more. Secure the rope, and these chic sea curtains are ready. Nice! Now watch how a real K-pop star does it. Come on, Rumi. You got this. My whole life was dark. No hope in my sight. But then came a window with sun shining bright. But the light was too much for my Rumi from the sea. Don't worry, girl. I'll hang curtains for thee. Oh, yeah! That was wonderful! Oh, let me have that. I guess a little sunlight wouldn't hurt us after all.
It's getting better and better in here. Sigh, I miss my jellyfish so much.
It was such a cute outfit. You looked great. Maybe I'll buy it next time. Hey, what's that? Wow! Ashley, look! What? I'm so confused. $10 or $10,000? Shall we flip it? Yeah, let's do it! Ready? It's so exciting! It looks like my luck is in! Aw, that's not fair! I found it! I know, but it's the rules. Whoa! Look at this! And it's all mine! This is amazing! Okay, I hate this already. Where's my suitcase of cash? I've got you covered. That's it. Gee, thanks. Fine, let's do this. Ugh, what is that? I mean, it's nighttime. Do you have to be so bright? Aw, did I wake you? That's so annoying. Okay, back to sleep. Ugh. That's it. I need to fix this. Huh? What are you doing? It's the middle of the night. Hello? I need your help. You rang. I need curtains. Wonderful. I have some gorgeous samples here. I like that one. Okay, let's take some measurements. It's time to get to work. This won't take long. Good. I'm so tired. Hey, careful. All done. What do you think? Great job. You've earned this. That's it? Very funny. Whatever. Here. My pleasure. My pleasure. Nanny. Now I can get some sleep. We'll see about that. Wow, they're good curtains. Oh, hello. Another victim. Oh, come on! I'm trying to sleep here. Ugh. Oh, look at those curtains. That's a good idea. But I don't have anything that fancy. What am I gonna do? I could use this blanket. I'll start by laying the blanket on a flat surface. Then I'll fold over one edge. I'll keep folding it over itself. And build up the layers. Okay, I'll pinch it in the middle. I need to punch a hole in the fabric. Aw, so cute! Now I need to tie it together. I'll thread this string through the hole. And grab it at the other side. Then open the fabric. I think it's ready. Let's hang it. This should block out the light. Wait. Hey, that's not fair. Oh well. Good morning. I can't put this book down. It's a real page-turner. Wow, it's so good. Ugh, I'm so bored. There must be something to do. Look at that! Wow! Hello? I need to place an order? That's great service! Here you go. This is just what I wanted! This is perfect! Huh? What's that? Never mind. I can't wait to use it! Now I have my own private nightclub! Pretty neat, huh? Whoa, it's amazing! Whoa! Check that out! Can I party too? No. Woohoo! But that's just mean. Hang on. It's not working! Oh, I know! Hey! I've got this! It'll be magical! I'll remove the top from a milk carton. Then cut stars into it and line the inside with paper. A little paint and I'm ready to party! I just need to bring my best dance moves! What do you think? I even have a lamp. I'll place a carton over the bulb and we can party! Whoa! Let's go! It's great! I love it! It's so pretty! Whoa! It does look good! Ashley, what are you doing? Shh! I'm trying to concentrate! This is so hard! Ha! Nice! Come on! No! I lost! What's wrong? Oh, right. It does look fun, though. I wish I could play. Ashley, can I have a go? You? Seriously? No. I should have expected that. Fine. Whoa! Ouch, that hurt. Can you keep it down? Oh, Jennifer's calling. Hey, girl! Now's my chance. I've been training for this. Nice and quiet. Got it! I need to be quick. I'll trace around the controller. That's looking good. I don't need this anymore. The perfect crime. Okay, back to my game. She doesn't suspect a thing. Now I need to finish this. I'll start by cutting it out. Cutting the cardboard into quarters makes it easier. I don't need these. I'll add glue around the edge. Now I'll stick this flexible cardboard strip to it. I'll press it onto the glue. Then bend and shape it into position. Now I'll place another controller template on top. It looks good, but it's not finished. Now it's done! Finally, I'm a gamer! Whoa, this is so cool! All I needed was my imagination. What a game! Oh, that was close! Come on! What are you doing? It's just cardboard. But at least she's happy. Yes! I won! Wow! Did you see that? Nice job! Okay, let's try this again. Hey, is that Chris? Wow, he's in Italy. And he looks good. I should post my own photos. Maybe he'll like them. I'll make sure to get my good side. I'll look so cute. Okay, let's take a look. What? I look good, but the background. Ugh! I can't post these. Let's try a different angle. Nope. Nah. Oh, I know. I'll make a quick call. Hello? My selfies are tragic. Do something. See you soon. What's she doing now? And now I wait. Phew, that was heavy. Wow! That's it ready. Hand over the cash. Have fun. This is just what I need. Wow, it's perfect! I always wanted to travel. There's so many options. Ooh, pizza! Smile! These look amazing! Wow, look at all these likes! I'm so popular! She's so lucky! I want to do that too. I have an idea. I can use this cardboard. I can see the world without leaving my room. It's time to get creative. First I need to make a frame. Then cut it out. I'll stick the frame onto the cardboard. I'll press it down to make sure it's secure. I've cut a small strip of cardboard, and I'll cover it with glue. Then stick it horizontally to the frame. I'll stick another strip vertically. It's just like a window frame. I've made some shutters, too. Now to hang it on the wall. This looks like the perfect spot. Paris. I'd rather be in the mountains. Oh, what about Italy? I'll take a quick photograph. Woo! These look great! You don't need a large budget or fancy designers to transform a room. Just some creativity and a little imagination. What was your favorite part? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.